Okay, now we'll continue that light chapter only, and this is the important topic that we are learning now. From that only, these are, just understand these are the basic things, and all things are connected with this topic. So just do it thoroughly. Next time, when we'll continue the next topic, these all the rules should be learned by heartly, so that you will understand all the next topic that we will do next time. So these are the rules for making, write down in copy like this only, rules for making images formed by concave mirror. You can get this in NCERT book also, and you can write down also as I am dictating. This is rule 1 now. See, this we have learned, this is concave mirror because reflection from inside. So this is, we are not making full circle here, just we are making it aperture. This is aperture. Then the point, this is a principal axis as it is passes through C and P, we have learned before. And in between C and P, middle point is called focus. This is focus. Okay, center of curvature you have learned, then pole, and in between there is a point called focus. Now, what is that? This is a light ray. As you have learned, incident ray and reflected ray, same thing only. So that incident ray comes toward mirror. This is rule 1. When incident ray comes toward mirror, after reflection, अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Reflection हुआ, अंदर की surface जो polished थी उससे reflection हुआ. After that, that ray passes through focus. So this is rule 1. When light ray comes parallel to the principal axis, this is the principal axis and this is a light ray, both are parallel. So we'll say in that way, when a light ray comes parallel to the principal axis, it always passes through focus. This is the rule. That means it will be like this only, कि जब light ray parallel आएगी तो focus से ही pass होगी, no other way. Okay, so you can write in this way, when a light ray comes parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it passes through focus. This is rule 1. You have to learn that how to draw this. Now rule 2. Rule 2 is like this. When a light ray comes through center of curvature, C, you know center of curvature, center point of our sphere. And how you will take that C and F? Just you assume a rough circle and the center point is called center of curvature. And in between pole and center, just a middle point is focus. Then your diagrams will come correct. You have to use rounder and scale while making all these diagrams. Okay. Now second rule is like this. When a light ray comes through center of curvature, जब center of curvature से light ray pass होगी, then after reflection, अब देखो यहाँ पे reflection हुआ, reflection के बाद it will not go anywhere else. It goes back from the same path. जैसे आई है वहीं से वापस जाएगी. So arrows are must. Keep remember this. So like this arrow shows that it is coming toward mirror, and this arrow shows after reflection it goes back. Okay, so when a light ray comes through center of curvature, it reflects back from the same path. This is the rule 2. Now rule 3 is like this, just opposite of rule 1. Rule 1 and rule 3 nearly same, just there is change in direction. Now when a light ray comes through focus, यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा था? It comes parallel and passes through focus. यहाँ just opposite हो गया. Light ray comes through focus and after reflection it goes parallel. Okay, so light ray comes through focus and goes parallel to the principal axis. तो focus से pass हो रही है और parallel जा रही है. इसका vice versa it is. This is rule 3. Then now rule 4 is like this. When a light ray comes at pole, so when light ray comes at pole, with the equal angle it reflect back, like we have seen in laws of reflection. जितने एंगल से लाइट रे पोल पर आएगी उतने ही इक्वल एंगल से रिफ्लेक्ट होगी. सो दिस इज रूल 4. व्हेन अ लाइट रे कम्स ओब्लिकली विथ सम एंगल, ओब्लिकली मतलब कुछ एंगल से आना. व्हेन लाइट रे कम्स ओब्लिकली at pole with the equal angle it reflect back. So these are mainly 4 rules here. This is we have learned for concave mirror. then we are having for convex mirror also. And by learning these rules only, then we can continue with the ray diagrams for concave mirror. Okay, so that's all for today. You do up to here thoroughly. Then next on Monday we are having class, then we'll continue with the ray diagram. So rounder, D, all your geometry boxes needed for that. So be ready next time. Thank you. God bless you everyone.